guys, welcome back to my channel. It seems like I was just making a Christmas gift guide, but today I want to share a Valentine's Day gift guide for men. So for your boyfriend, your fiance, your husband, whoever it is, I just wanted to make a gift guide for them because I feel like sometimes, and especially for Valentine's Day, it can be kind of tricky to know what to buy them. So here are 10 ideas that I came up with. Number one, a Patagonia fleece. I feel like these have really fallen out of style for women in the last few years, but I feel like they're still in style for men, and especially if you live in a cold weather climate, these are really nice gifts. So this is actually what I got my boyfriend Nick this year. They were on back order, like most of the colors, but I ended up getting him a charcoal gray fleece. He does have a Patagonia for work, but it has like his workplace insignia on it, so he doesn't really wear it like out and around. So I thought this would be a really nice gift for him. My second idea is to get your guy an experience. You know, if they're a sports guy, get them tickets to a basketball game. If they like cooking, get them tickets for a cooking class. If they like the movies, get them a gift card to the movie theater, you know, whatever it is. I feel like experiences are really fun gifts. I feel like millennials and Gen Z especially love to get experiences, and I feel like this is a good gift for a guy who, you know, really doesn't like clothes and that sort of thing. I think that cologne is always a really nice gift for a guy, especially for Valentine's Day. Maybe they kind of want something different for their birthdays or Christmas. They're not super into cologne, but I feel like cologne is nice if you want to kind of introduce your man to it. It's nice to do that for Valentine's Day. You know, get him something from Ralph Lauren or Chanel. I feel like those brands are just always classic and you can really never go wrong with them. If you're in a newer relationship, I feel like clothes can be a safe gift for Valentine's Day. You know, something from Nike or Under Armour. I feel like most guys usually like those brands. And you know, you can get them anything from sweatshirts and hoodies to sweatpants, t-shirts, whatever. So I feel like that is a really safe gift. Number 5, this is kind of unique, but I feel like nice skincare for a guy is something nice to get them. I feel like most guys don't really spend much money on skincare. Of course, if your guy's like totally not into that and you think they would be insulted, don't do that. But I feel like Sephora has some really nice packages for men. I think Clinique has a line, and I'll try to link some different options below. I think a fitness tracker or some type of watch is also a really cool gift. You know, if they have an old Apple Watch, maybe upgrade them, or get them just a watch from Macy's or somewhere like that. I feel like a watch is a really nice staple in any guy's wardrobe. Number 7, a leather bag or leather wallet is really nice, kind of a more expensive wallet that you think they wouldn't really buy, but they would really appreciate. Also, a leather work bag I think is a really nice work gift. I've thought about getting Nick one because he has one, but I thought about getting him like a nicer one. But I decided on the Patagonia, and I'll get him a work bag sometime in the future, probably. A couples massage. I feel like this is a really fun and exciting gift. It's kind of for you, of course, too, which I feel like is acceptable on Valentine's Day. You can kind of do coupley things like that. But I think that would be a really fun gift, and most people probably would really appreciate that. If your guy likes cooking, consider getting them like a barbecue set. You know, maybe some grilling tools, some different barbecue sauces, whatever it is. I feel like that's a super fun gift and lots of guys would like that. Finally, I feel like the brand Yeti is still really popular for guys. So like a Yeti cooler, a Yeti lunchbox, a actual stainless steel Yeti to drink out of. Those are super fun and also super useful if your guy's not really into clothes or, you know, maybe experiences. Consider picking up a Yeti. So those are 10 gift ideas I have for Valentine's Day. Of course, I'm sure candy is always appreciated, but let me know what you're getting your guy, what you're getting yourself. I feel like Valentine's Day doesn't have to be like exclusive to couples. I feel like if you're single, you should definitely celebrate. You should go out with your friends and treat yourself to some chocolate or some wine and just kind of enjoy life and love and be loved. So anyway, that's my little spiel. I hope this video was helpful if you were kind of strapped on ideas for what to do for Valentine's Day. Don't forget to subscribe if you liked this content, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!